Nah, you know some crazy shit's about to go down if they put crisis resources at the beginning of your show. Jesus Christ. Takopi's Original Sin is a recently completed anime that's flying under most people's radars, and to be honest, I don't blame people for not knowing about the show. It hasn't seen super widespread coverage, and has a pretty strange premise at a glance. Like, what could this strange looking show with a cute little octopus even be about? A lot. The answer is a lot. But when I tell you this show is one of, if not the most impactful forms of media I've ever seen, I mean it. But before I get too into that, let me give you a breakdown of what Takopi's Original Sin is all about.